considering that child sexual abuse is common in schools, what resources can a school provide to a child that can help them, develop healthy coping mechanisms if they have experienced abuse?
See, first and foremost, I feel there has to be great sensitivity around the confession. So one is that when a child or a student has showed up, it cannot first and foremost be that, oh, we have to report it. It has to be treated with a lot of sensitivity. And I understand that a lot of teachers, it is not their responsibility to be trained as therapists and psychologists. So in that case, just to be like, it is not your fault. We are here to protect you, and please don't worry. Thank you so much for doing this. Even just these 3 lines is enough for a child. And then, is it all right if I can call XYZ person? So who do you trust? Who are you comfortable with? Because I am not trained in this. Usually, if you have a child protection policy in place, you would have a form which you are supposed to fill out and give it to the child protection officer. So all of those things are also the identification place, what you have heard, what did they say exactly. So ये सब is very important, because if it is in fact, which in most cases it is a legal matter, then all of this, your first interaction has to be very, very clear. So the person receiving the information has the ownership of being extremely patient, extremely kind, and extremely sensitive. And nothing on the grounds of what did you say, what were you doing, what were you wearing, did you do that? No, it's just a no. There is no way is that all right. That is number one. Second is, it has to be and I know it's difficult because schools have a lot of things to do, but it has to be given first priority. So depending on the situation is and who the perpetrator is, the safeguarding of the student is very important. I would suggest call the parents, get them in, make sure that they take the child away. He or she does not have to continue the school day. And as and when it unfolds, it is important for you, as a school, to speak to the teachers. So this is also very important, that when there is a case going on, at that point of time, it is very important to have communication constant. We are still not understood what it is. Please do not talk to anybody. We still don't know where we are. Please do not. So that transparency ensures that the community is together, because this is exactly when the gossip starts, and that is going to damage the child the most. The child and the family also. Of course, there is whatever you have your case, everything is there. I would suggest have a conversation before. I'm not going into the details of what happens with the perpetrator, but with the child, definitely whenever they are back, there has to be a conversation before. They have to be absolutely okay. The students around, so their class, their grade, can be spoken depending on the age of the child, depending on how they already know. So having a little bit of a Q&A is not a bad idea. Again, you have to have a higher person there. You have to have a trained person there. And there have to be very clear guidelines in terms of nobody is going to ask her anything or ask him anything. There are, it's going to be penalized if we hear about it later. And constant checking with the family, with the student, needs to be done for as long as you can, at least the end of the school year, at least till you can see. But that safeguarding part is very, very important. Ensuring that things are tight in terms of communication is very, very important. So this is the short term. The long term, I would say, depending again on, not depending on the child actually, but long term therapy I would recommend, because like I said, it is a life altering circumstance situation. The effects of it will unfold almost throughout your life, especially the first 20-30 years of your life. You will see the effects of it, the negative effects of it, in terms of connection, in terms of relationships, in terms of how you think about yourself, all of that, in terms of safety, understanding, many, many things.